I'm Shyanne and this is my channel Shy'sDesigns. If you don't already know me, I am a mom of two, a wife, and an entrepreneur. I am here to breathe life back into furniture and make pieces affordable again, and also splash in a few repairs and home updates. Let's get started. To open up this video, we have a few pieces of furniture here. Most I sold and others I flipped for my own home. I'm so excited to get started on this one because I wanted to get into my process of staging my pieces for my buyers versus my home and some of the reasons behind my madness, if you will. Let's see how it went. First, I went through getting my piece lit properly. Each light around my house would hit this piece differently and each piece differently, making more dynamic shots and giving me more angles of photos I can take. The placement of my pieces is a mix between convenience and optimal lighting. This specific spot in my house is pretty decorative on its own, and it has access to both front and back of the house light from the windows, which is great because my house faces east to west. This spot also has access to light from about 4 other rooms, which is amazing. Also, my garage door, where I do all of my work, is a few steps away, and my front door, where I sell all of my pieces and tote them out, is also a few steps away. And this specific room actually is probably the least used room in my house, so I can keep them indoors and it stays out of the way this way as well. I like to stage each piece based on someone buying and putting it into their own home. How I imagine it would be used, or how I might use the piece myself. A lot of people looking through hundreds of photos on Facebook Marketplace want something unique and also functional. If they're going to pay top dollar, they want something that no one else has, obviously. Giving each piece a purpose shows that buyer that it has an instant functionality, and they may start to believe that they need this piece and make an offer to you. When I staged my chairs for my front yard, I made sure to make them functional and livable so that I didn't have anything difficult to maintain or take away after the photos were done. That is until they were taken away by hurricane winds, but that's neither here nor there. When I take photos, I take them straight on from each side, then I take it from the top, and then for more dynamic shots, I take them from each corner. The green dresser I staged last, not for any specific reason, but this one was my most successful piece to date. The color, the style, the staging, everything must have been, because I had people bidding on this thing, bidding wars, and also a 20-person wait list for anything that may have dropped out or just anyone that may have not shown up, which is crazy. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and coming on yet another adventure. If you enjoyed this video or learned something, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next post.